Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today I will discuss about measures to counteract ship stresses. Number one, structural design features. Longitudinal strength. Ships are designed with robust longitudinal framing to resist hugging and sagging forces. Transverse strength. Frames and bulkheads are added to counteract racking and torsional stresses. Double bottom construction provide extra strength and distributes loads, eventually reducing shear and bending stresses. Reinforced bow and stern areas strengthened with thicker plates to withstand panting and pounding stresses. Loading. Number 2, loading and ballasting practices. Proper cargo distribution. Eventually distribute cargo weight to avoid excessive shear forces or uneven loading, which can amplify sagging or hugging. Ballast management. Adjust ballast to maintain an even keel and reduce stress concentration, especially during unloading or rough weather. Avoid overloading. Adhere to the load line marks to ensure the ship is not overloaded, minimizing structural strain. Operational measures. Speed adjustments. Reduce speed in rough seas to minimize pounding and slamming forces. Course alteration. Hanging course to avoid hitting waves head on, reducing torsional and slamming stresses. Weather routing. So the weather routing system to avoid areas with raw seas and high wind conditions. Monitoring maintenance. Stress monitoring system. Modern ships are equipped with stress monitoring system to avoid real-time data on hull stresses, allowing timely corrective actions. Regular inspections. Frequent inspections or critical areas, keel, bulkheads, and framing help identify and address the structural issues early. Maintenance of structural integrity. Repair cranks, corrosion, or deformation in hull planting and frames promptly. Use of bulkheads. Watertight bulkheads. Submit the spread of loading and enhance transverse strength. Collision bulkheads protect the ship from damage caused by head-on impacts. Dynamic stability management. Anti-roll systems. Stabilizer fins or gyroscopic stabilizer to reduce rolling and its associated stresses. Trim optimization maintain emotional stress. Trim to distribute stresses even across the whole. In my opinion, ang barko magasinate og nagkadayang stress o pwersa sa gikan sa dagkong balod o kabugaton sa karga makapahuyang sa kalig-on ini. Aron malikayan ang aksidente, kinahanglan sundon ang saktong disenyo sa barko, hustong pagkarga og amping na pagpadagan sa kapitan, ilabi na kung bati ang panahon. Thank you.